प्राइमरली एनीवन हु स्टार्ट्स यूट्यूब सेज कि ओके मैं एड्स यूट्यूब एड से पैसा कमाऊंगा. सो यूट्यूब का एड्स वाला मॉडल है, दे पे यू. वन. सेकंड, सिंपल प्लेन मॉडल एवरीवन नोज, ब्रांड डील्स पे यू गो. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ब्रांड डील्स. ब्रांड डील्स किस टाइप के हो सकते हैं? Either you can integrate a brand in one video, that is one brand, or you can have multiple brand strategy. Okay, I will integrate 3 brands in one video. It depends on a type of video. If someone is doing a review, which is a long form review, 20 minutes है, you can put 3 brands. 3 मिनट के वीडियो में 3 ब्रांड बोलोगे, ब्रांड मारेगा आपको, ब्रांड पैसा नहीं देगा. ब्रांड बोलेगा कि नो, आई वॉन्ट. You can integrate. This is a pretty interesting thing. How you integrate is your skill.
Right.
Some people do on the face. That never works. Some people do it very, very
Subtle.
seamlessly, very, very subtly. That is the right way. मतलब see, the brand is not paying you for putting up the logo.
Correct.
Brand अलग तरीके से भी कर सकता है. Brand is giving you because brand thinks you are also a creative consultant for me to seamlessly integrate that particular part. That is one. Second, YouTube के नीचे description होता है. Description में brand may ask you or pay you extra पैसा for putting the app का link और website का link or whatever. That is a separate पैसा. ये दोनों primarily monetize होते हैं. इसके अलावा on YouTube और कुछ monetize mass scale में नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. And if any creator is listening to this, let me tell out very interesting ways. And this is where the growth hacking mindset comes. Growth hacking mindset is this. जहाँ पे भीड़ है मुझे वहाँ पे नहीं जाना है. And the model is this. I can make 1 lakh by doing one content. I can make 1 lakh by doing 20,000 के 5 piece of content. I have to choose which route is better. Simple. YouTube community post पे आप एक post डाल के उसका निकाल सकते हो cost. Underutilized but very, very high engagement. YouTube community post has very high engagement. That is one part of monetization you can unlock. When you put out a video, first comment you can pin it, you can charge the brand for that.
Right.
That is another. Because everyone knows description से ज़्यादा clicks तो इसमें आते हैं.
Right.
So then it has to be कि your pin comment, you should be charging more. Description, you should be charging less.
Got it.
उस पे. End screen. You can rent out your end screen also. Let's say if a brand has a YouTube channel, you can say कि hey, I'll put the end screen for you. The problem is the calculations are very difficult because then the brand will ask you कि आपके end तक कितने लोग रुकते हैं. 1 million views पे नहीं चलेगा. हाँ. तो फिर आप बोलोगे 50% तो रिटेंशन है मेरा. फिर वो ब्रांड बोलेगा 1 मिलियन से तो आधा लोग तो चले गए. अब एंड तक कितने लोग रुकते हैं. दिस इज अ रिटेंशन वॉर.
Right.
एंड स्क्रीन वाला. बट यू स्टिल कैन मोनेटाइज दैट. अंडरयूटिलाइज, नो वन इज primarily डूइंग दैट. तो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू दिस पर्सपेक्टिव एंड more YouTube keeps on adding more and more features. What I feel the creator it's a primary job of the manager to look at these spaces and figure out कि कहाँ पे क्या निकल सकता है उस पे. Because YouTube के video integration is a very competitive property.
Correct.
And it doesn't work for the brand at some point of time. Like let's say मैं अगर सारे वीडियो में इंटीग्रेट करूँ, मतलब one I will look like a sellout. And सबको पता है कि कमेंट्स पे आता है गाली कि भाई खाली ब्रांड पे ब्रांड. वो ठगेश मामार्थ बोल के मतलब
even Flying Beast,
Flying Beast. ठीक है, पैसा मिल रहा है, बट think from this perspective.
After a point, the audience also gets exhausted after listening to the
audience
same.
knows थोड़ा आया skip मारो.
Correct.
Audience knows.
Correct.
And
That's true.
if you take one brand and just show ads every time ना, क्या होगा? And you must have realized this. So mind का funny fact क्या है ना, pattern recognize कर लेगा जल्दी. The moment थगेश कुछ भी मतलब ऐसा एक सटल डालेगा ना, आपको पता है मामार्थ आ रहा है, then you start skipping. It doesn't work for the brand. किसी ने तो देखा ही नहीं वो ब्रांड को. तो but you could have sold a community post, you could have done a pin comment, come charge करके and everything. Right. So these are the interesting ways, models that you have to keep on thinking.
There's another way which is product placement, right?
There is a product placement, but वो सबके लिए मतलब
for example, if someone is, say for example, I'm shooting a YouTube video. Correct. I'm on it. I'm wearing a shirt, right? अब मैं शर्ट किसी ब्रांड का भी पहन सकता हूँ and the brand could be paying I don't have to necessarily talk about the brand. I could just be wearing it.
Correct. उसको मैं as a brand integration का पार्ट ही मान ले रहा हूँ, क्योंकि the reason is this कि not every brand, not every influencer will do that, and that is a very high cost, because the reason is this. Brand integration 20 seconds आता है बीच में, ये तो पूरा पहन के बैठोगे ना, तो brands generally pay भी नहीं करते because it's very very high cost, very high cost. True. But that is much better subtle वाला चीज़. But the objective of just saying this is there are a lot of ways you can monetize, a lot of things you can monetize. पूरी दुनिया वही दो चीज़ में ख़त्म नहीं होती, AdSense and brand monetization and everything. Like I'm a big believer of building business.
Correct.
have your own website,
build your own service, build your own product.
build your own service, build your own products, build your own websites, build your own
Correct.
courses, PDFs, everything.
Correct.
Every YouTuber is sitting on massive distribution, which means they can teach.
Hmm.
They are the ones should be selling how to be a roasting comedy channel 500 rupees. You should be charging for that. करो बैठ के.
Correct.
क्यों उस पे ये कर रहे हो? So massive opportunity, but the growth mindset is different. उस पे.
Interesting.